Alright. Went to the Harbor Freight today. It's like a yard sale or a train wreck. I don't like buying a lot of things from there, but the smell of underage children toiling for pennies just gets me. Magnetic parts tray holder, $3.99. Some of them have snap-off, cornhole, craftsman, smack, whatever. Says Pittsburgh. Whatever. Is it from Pittsburgh? No. That's from China. But it's a metal bowl with a magnet. That's all it is. $3.99 on sale. Okay. Magnet on a stick. Gotta love magnet on a stick, man. This one was on sale. Oh, this one was, wow. I didn't get the sale price. $3.99. I didn't think it was that much. Good little rare earth magnet. Telescope thing. Little who's-em-off thingy. What do you call that? Yeah, it's for magneting shit. Because you never know what you need the magnet. Oh, jeez. Oh, somebody call the Emperor of China. That kid's getting fired. Yep. You're done. You're done, Wang Shun. Yet again, the reason why we don't buy things from Harbor Freight. Garbage. The big score today. On sale. This one was, let's see, $17.99. All right. Actually, no. Sorry. $21.99. Needed an upgrade. Yep. You think? When it comes to meters, like when I went to tech school, they made us buy really expensive ones. Either Snap-on or